Hello everyone, this is Geetha. Welcome to my channel. Now the climate is very cool. It's drizzling outside. Sometimes it is raining. So yeah, I want to do something like painting a girl in a rain or something related to the rain. I have already draw pencil sketch for this painting, and I started with the green mixed with the blue on umbrella. I used very basic colors and brushes. Uh, I'm not used to painting before, so I thought to start all basic stuff to learn painting. So yeah, who want to paint like me? So this will help. For the borders, I used darker shades of blue. You can do this painting very easily because here we are not showing face of a girl, so she's turned back, and drawing will be very easy. And applying colors also very easy. See, I applied black for the girl top. I started painting of girl skirt, so I used random like rainbow colors. I used all the colors. I started with the red, then I applied uh, blue, yellow, green. Yeah, almost I applied all the colors here. And your choice, like you can make it any color and you can mix it with any color. Finally this will look good. Yeah, I feel you can also tell end of the painting how it will look like. Here I finished almost this skirt. I think it is looking very beautiful now. Then for the skin texture, I mixed the color with yellow, pink, and white. So this color turned to like creamish pink color. And borders, I used black color. It's like random drawing here and there, and it will look good. uh, Now it comes to background of the painting, and I used here also almost every color, and blended with the white color most of the time, so that it will look like it's drizzling next to the girl, and yeah, the scenery should look like beautiful. We almost finished. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.